unexpected error occurred Facebook. Firstly, this could be bring by a problem on your phone selection, but don't worry about it. You need simply to get off from your Facebook. Then, what is the most important thing when you simply get off from there? It is to go on your settings selection on your phone, and then you need to scroll down and take a look on applications. After you get here on the search box, without wasting any time, simply need to tap on it and type for Facebook. Just tap on that selection, and right from there, as you can see here, you have many different options in which you need to go for storage, the third selection. And right from here, what is the most important thing when you get up here? You need to clear the cache and clear the data for the full site on it. You need simply to click OK. But before you do that, if you have iPhone, you need to offload the application, which you're gonna have right there, that option. But if you have Android, you simply need to go on your Google Play Store. You need to reinstall it, that Facebook application, and then it could be fixed the problem by getting on it.